guys, welcome back to my channel Dr. Mulberry, and today we will learn about some instruments. And this is my first video based on study, so don't forget to like, share and subscribe if you find this helpful. So today we are going to learn about instruments, since it is a major problem in students who are just learning instruments. So instruments are divided into four categories. These are the diagnostic instrument, these are the cutting instrument, these are the mixing or adapting instruments, and these are the finishing and polishing instrument. So first we are starting with the diagnostic instrument. Under that we have 5 instruments. Today I will only share how to identify this instrument and what are the names of these instruments. And in the next video I will try to tell about the functions of each of this instrument. So first is this mouth mirror. This comes under the diagnostic instrument. And also I will tell about the parts of an instrument. So as you can see, in this mouth mirror we have a handle. This is the handle. Okay, then this portion is known as the shaft, and this portion is known as the blade. Okay, it contains here the mirror, but in other instrument you will see the blades. So so first one is the mouth mirror, as you can see under the diagnostic instrument. Okay, let's skip it. I will tell the function in the next video. If you want, please let me know in the comment. Next is this tweezer. It also comes under the diagnostic instruments. Okay, so tweezer done. Next is this explorer. So diagnostic instruments are very easy to identify. As you can see, it has a carved end, and here is another end. This is an explorer. Okay. Next is the two probes. I'm taking both of them so that you can identify. This is a probe and this is a periodontal probe. The periodontal probe you can differentiate from the normal probe by these markings. Sorry, there is a focusing problem here. Yeah, you can see the markings in the periodontal probe. There are markings for 1, 2, 3, 4. Sorry, 1, 2, 3 and then 5 and then 7, 8, 9, 10. All in millimeters. Okay. Next, I will talk about the cutting instruments. So there are 6 cutting instruments under the hand instruments. So the first one is this enamel hatchet. You can see the straight ends, this carved, but as you can see here, it is straight, right? You will know the difference between an enamel hatchet and a GMT, that is gingival marginal trimmer, by this thing. This is straight. Okay. Now, then let's talk about the gingival marginal trimmers after that. So as you can see, the gingival marginal trimmers, they have a carved end. Yeah, they are carved, right? Okay. So after the enamel hatchet, we have the chisel here. Okay. Then we have the spoon excavator. As you can see the spoon-like structure here, this is known as the spoon excavator. We have this hoe. Okay, as you can see the difference. Okay. And we have these two gingival trimmers. This one is the mesial gingival trimmer and this one is the distal one. Now let's talk about a Mesial GMT and a Digital GMT. This one is a Mesial GMT and this one is a Digital GMT. So how will you identify that? Whenever you are placing these GMTs on the floor of the table, then you can see the Mesial GMT will be having this shape. Okay, it will have this shape, that is the pointed portion will be towards you. Okay, and in case of a Digital GMT, as you can see, the pointed end is away from you. Okay, as you can see, the shape is matching now. So this is a Digital GMT, and this one where you can see, let me focus, the pointed end is towards you. This is a Mesial GMT. So this is a Mesial GMT and this is a Digital GMT. Alright. Next we have the mixing or adapting instruments. So first one is this cement spatula. I have already some dirty cement spatula because of work. So this is the cement spatula and this is a plastic filling instrument. All the uses, if you insist, I will do another video where I will post about the uses of these instruments individually. So this is a plastic filling instrument. Now let's come to the finishing and polishing instrument. Under that we have the condensers, carvers and the burnishers. So these are the two condensers. One is a round condenser, one is the parallelogram condenser. So what is the difference between the round and a parallelogram? The shape. As you can see here, it is having a round shape at the edge. Let me show you. This, as you can see, is a round edge. This is a round condenser. Okay. And this one is a parallelogram condenser. As you can see, some parallelogram right here. Okay. Next, let's come to the carvers. So we have three carvers here: hole and back carver, diamond carver and Watts carver. So this is the hole and back carver. Focus please. This is the hole and back carver, right? This one is the diamond carver. It is having a diamond shape, that is why it is known as the diamond carver. And we have the Watts carver. You can see. The Watts carver. The difference between a hole and back carver and a Watts carver is the angle. As you can see, hole and back carver, the angle is less than the Watts carver angle. Okay. And diamond carver you can easily understand and differentiate from them by its diamond shape. And the last one under the finishing and polishing instrument is this ball burnisher. All the uses I will mention in the second video if I do any, if you insist. So this is all about the instruments. Okay, I hope it is beneficial for you. So if it is beneficial, please like the video, and you can also comment if I should make a video on the uses of the individual instruments. Thank you.